Hello everyone, this is Julie HR and I wanted to go over one of my newest templates. I have been making a lot of new safety templates, checklists all across the board, so be sure to check all of them out. But I wanted to go over this one specifically. It's called the Safety Plan Template. However, it has 3 different tabs that have checklists that are very extensive, ones that to set up a safety program, also to set up a safety committee, and also how to actually roll out this safety program. So there is actually a lot within this safety plan template, and I wanted to show you because it's so very important. I know safety as an HR professional, that was one of my proudest roles in which I got to, and till this day, is to assist others in their rolling out safety plans, health and safety plans, emergency action plans, fire safety. That's so important. But I just wanted to go through it. So number 1, on this particular template, it's $10. So you're probably like, well, why is it $10 and it's just a checklist? No, it's a safety program checklist. So number 1, if you're looking to implement a safety program or you don't have anything in place, number 1, I would actually contact OSHA and have someone go around with me around, like, let's say it's a manufacturing plant, and actually, assist in, looking at different maybe corrective actions that need to take place. They are very, very helpful, and they have a great group of people that are sometimes we hear OSHA and we think, oh no, they're going to find us, they're going to find this or that. No, they are actually very, very helpful. So, and actually a lot of their knowledge assisted me in building these out. So, well, let's just go over this, but also keep in mind that you can reach out to an OSHA professional and they can walk through your job site and actually help you out even more. So let's go ahead and take a look. So key tabs included are the safety committee checklist. Yes, you have to start a safety committee. It is so important. A safety program checklist has about 70 items, and a safety program rollout, in which how are you going to go about rolling this out to all these employees? You may have something in place, but it may not be satisfactory. And we're going to actually look at the template. It's so awesome. One workbook, 4 tabs. You want to launch your safety program faster. You want to cover the details that might get missed, and things will get missed. And you want to turn safety planning into action. And I love this because it helps you keep up with the percentage of items that you've completed and then you haven't. I don't want you to miss a beat because safety is very important in your organization and to also the stakeholders who are involved with safety, which would be employees and executives and whatnot. When you look at the safety program checklist, there are 74 action items. Kind of like with my onboarding checklist, they're like 150. I'm not going to let you miss anything. And when you look up close, and we're going to actually look at it, you've got the area, the action item, who is the owner, what's the priority, what's the target window, what's the status, and what's the evidence. So you can choose to use all of those, and those are the columns. Here's the safety committee checklist. If you have no idea how to put a safety committee together, I put together many and many. So here's your list, and we're going to look at it a little closer in a minute. And there's also a drop-down list that also it helps you drop down on the Excel sheet to what particular item you need to drop down to. And the rollout plan. How are you going to roll it out? Are you going to say, hey guys, we have a safety? No, you've got to follow. Number 1, you've got to get buy-in from your executives. Number 2, you've got to be very methodical and you've got to plan. And because safety is very important, and it's something that you've got to keep up to date as an HR professional. Okay. Easy to edit in Google Sheets and also Excel. You can see the drop downs and see 140 action items to launch your safety program. So with that being said, I'm going to actually go to the actual Excel program checklist. So here's the checklist. There are 78 items, and you can see there it's very extensive. I mean, we're talking about, you're looking at all the different kind of general industry items that are involved with safety inspections, which if you have a safety program, you need a safety committee, and that safety committee monthly needs to be going around and looking for high risk issues, whether it be with regards to maybe ladders, maybe chemical storage. Do you have safety data sheets? Lockout, tag out. That's something I never thought I would know, but I know all about that. That's very important. Near misses. Do you know what a near miss is? That needs to be recorded. Do you have a corrective action log? Housekeeping, slip, trips, and falls, machine guarding, first aid. I would even encourage, this is another idea, if you have a lot of managers at your site, be sure to maybe get someone from, maybe, I don't know if you can call a hospital, or I'm not exactly sure who I use, but get somebody to go out to your workplace and train your managers on first aid and AED. And your managers will then have that first aid certification. I always said that was a great idea. Create a new hire safety orientation checklist. And most of these items you can actually find in my store. Yep, you can. Of course, the OSHA logs and whatnot, you can find that on the OSHA website. Keeping policies updated all the way down. Safety committee, how are you going to go about that? That's very important. It needs to be monthly. You need to make sure that you have a health and safety program in place. I'll tell you that much. There is a health and safety program booklet on my Etsy site. Create a charter, meeting agenda. I mean, it can be a lot of fun because you can bring a lot of different people from a lot of different departments. Let's say operations, or quality control, or R&D, or marketing and manufacturing. You can bring them all together, and they can be on the safety committee, and y'all all can work together. So you're working with other departments, and it actually can be a lot of fun, and you actually learn a lot. I'm going to move this over here. It might mess things up, but I'll go right back. Here we go. So that's the safety committee, and you can see total actions, complete, at risk. You can drop down, all that. So how are you going to roll this out? Well, here's a 90-day rollout plan. You want to do this, and I put it in phases because that's how I did things in the past, in phases. You may not want to use all these different items, but you can. As far as areas and stuff, you don't have to label them if you don't want to. I try to be as specific and methodical as I can. You need a safety program owner, create essential safety file, all the good things that you may have already started, but you may not have totally completed. And at the end of the day, safety is one of the most important things within your organization. It affects how your employees feel about their workspace, how they will be addressing different risks, such as maybe a fire or a slip, trip, and fall. Safety is important. So if you're an HR professional, you need to be taking this role very seriously and take a lot of pride in it, because I know I enjoyed it. I know I loved it. And I don't know, I even get excited to this day just making templates about it. So be sure to check this out on my Etsy website. Be sure to hit like. Go ahead. I want to get to 1,000 people that have subscribed to my channel by the end of the year. And also hit like, and also subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. I put probably a video out maybe once a week or maybe twice a week. So thank you so much. Be sure to check out my store and have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks so much. and be safe as always.